Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we'll be diving deeper into views. Specifically, we'll focus on the most commonly used ones in any application: text views, buttons, and edit texts. But before we start, we need to make some simple changes to our code. First, open your XML file. Then erase constraint layout and change it to linear layout. And then inside the layout bracket, we type orientation and then we type equal vertical. Do not worry, we will be explaining all of these changes in the next video when we explain layout. Text views are views designed to display text. To create a text view, simply type less than symbol text view and hit enter. You'll notice two essential attributes: layout_width and layout_height. These attributes define the size of your view. There are three ways to fill these attributes. 1. Match parent. This means the view will take up the same size as its parent layout. 2. Wrap content. This allows the view to adjust its size based on its content. 3. Fixed size. You can define a specific size using units like dp density independent pixels or sp scale independent pixels. For most cases, it's better to use sp because it scales well across different screen sizes. Every view should have an ID, especially if you plan to interact with it in your code. However, if the view is static like a title, assigning an ID is optional. Now, let's talk about the text attribute. This is straightforward. It defines the text displayed in your text view. The attributes we just covered are the essentials for any text view. There are also additional, equally important attributes like text size, which defines the size of your text. Text style, which specifies the style of your text. Gravity determines where the text is displayed within the view. Padding, which adds space between the edges of your view and its contents. Text color, which sets the color of your text. Buttons are an interactive view that allow users to perform actions like submitting forms, navigating between screens, or triggering specific events in your app. To create a button in XML, type > and then type button and press enter. Like text views, buttons require you to define the layout width and layout height attributes to define their size. For buttons, the ID attribute is crucial. You'll almost always need it to interact with the button in your Kotlin code. Other attributes, such as text, text size, text style, padding, gravity, and text color, function similarly to those in text views. A new attribute that you can use in buttons is background tint. This allows you to set the color of the button itself. Edit texts are views that allow users to input data, such as their name, age, email, or any other information required by the application. To create an edit text, simply type > and type edit text and press enter.
Listen to that. Could you make a song written by a machine sound so beautiful?
As with text views and buttons, you need to set the layout width and layout height attributes to define the size of the view. Just like for buttons, the ID attribute is also crucial. In addition to these basic attributes, edit texts have some specific ones that are important to understand. Hint: This attribute displays a placeholder text inside the edit text. For example, you might use a hint like enter your name to guide users on what to input. The hint text disappears as soon as the user starts typing. Input type. This attribute specifies the type of input the edit text will accept. For instance, text for general text, number for numeric input, text email address for email input, which ensures the keyboard adapts for easier email typing. Password to mask input, useful for fields requiring security like passwords. These attributes help enhance the usability of the edit text, making it more intuitive for users. Finally, like other views, you can customize attributes such as text size, text style, text color, padding, and gravity to match the design of your app. Now let's test what we have learned. Let's build this interface together. As you can see, we have a text view, 3 edit texts, and a button. Now if you want to build it alone, by all means go ahead, pause the video, try it for yourself. Now let's get to it.
Could you make a song written by a machine sound so beautiful, so beautiful,
And as you can see, this is our interface. If you did build it by yourself, congratulations. If you didn't know how or you needed some help, don't worry, this fine. Through using it more, you will get better at it. Now this was our video today. I hope you found it helpful. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.